My name is Alexandra Dubuisson, and this is how LSU Health Shreveport helped me get to Harvard. I participated in the 2025 Harvard Visiting Research Internship Program. So this program included 11 other students from around the country, and we basically had 8 weeks to do biomedical research at a given institution. The research that I did in Boston, we were trying to look at a link between bacterial vaginosis, hormonal contraceptives, and the potential susceptibility to HIV. It felt like a door was unlocked. The last time I felt that way was when I was a pre-med and I visited here, and it felt like a door was unlocked for like medicine was actually like accomplishable. I knew about medical schools, I knew what their names were, but LSU for me was the first school that actually like opened their doors so that I got to actually like see what a medical school campus would look like. I saw an anatomy lab. When I was struggling with the MCAT, I got MCAT help. So then when it was time to apply, it was always on my radar, and I felt like they were super pivotal in my formative pre-med years, so it almost made sense that I would go here for medical school, and I was just like crossing my fingers and hoping that I would get in, and here I am. In addition to being a medical student here, there are also like various opportunities to get involved in research, whether if it's through like a dedicated summer program like MSRP, or if it's just intertwined between your classes and if you're able to manage that. I think it's super important to get involved in research if you want to match into a competitive specialty. I just love like the curiosity that you're able to have, the freedom that you're able to have to think and question. There's many opportunities, and majority of the faculty that I've contacted have been super receptive and responsive.